Today I'm cooking an egg dish for dinner. Simple steamed egg with shiitake mushroom. It's very delicious and suitable as a side dish. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are half cup of eggs, 1 cup of water, 2 pieces of shiitake mushroom, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, and half tablespoon of garlic oil, which is optional. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with mixing the salt with water until all the salt has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, chop the shiitake mushroom into smallest cubes. Alright, it's ready. Let's go and cook it. Put all the shiitake mushroom in the pot. Add 30 ml of water and switch on the heat. Cook the mushroom with a little water for about 2 minutes or until the water has dried up. After 2.5 minutes, the water has evaporated and the mushroom is cooked. Add about 1 teaspoon of garlic oil. Stir to coat the mushroom with garlic oil. Switch off the heat. Spread the mushroom around in the steaming plate. I have prepared some hot boiling water here for steaming. Place the plate on the steamer stand. Cover with another plate to prevent the water from dipping into the plate. Steam it for 4 minutes. This is to heat up the plate. While heating up the plate, prepare the eggs. I have half of a cup here. Fill it with eggs until full. Maybe only 2 to 3 eggs are needed. Crack the egg in another bowl. This is to ensure that bad eggs will not ruin the rest. Pour them in a measurement cup. 1 egg, 2 eggs, and 3 eggs. Just nice. 3 medium-sized eggs fill the half cup. Put all the eggs in the mixing bowl. Whisk it for 45 seconds or until well beaten. Alright, it is done. Add in 1 cup of salt water. This is half a cup. And another half of a cup. Mix well until eggs and salt water are well combined. Alright, this should be okay. Notice that after beating the eggs, it tends to create a lot of bubbles. Use a small strainer to skim off all the bubbles from the egg. After 4 minutes, the plate is hot enough. Open the pan cover. Remove the plate on the top and pour the eggs mixture over the strainer down to the hot plate. Cover it with the plate and cover the pan. Steam it for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the steamed egg should be cooked. Remove it from the pan. Looks so smooth and beautiful. Before serving, garnish with garlic oil. Cut spring onions and the crispy fried garlic, just like that. Very simple. Now we can serve. Let's eat. Oh wow, the egg is really soft and very smooth, with a very lovely fragrance of shiitake mushroom. So good and well balanced. Simple and easy for an awesome side dish. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.